Hello everybody, this is Trina. I am excited to bring you guys a planner setup. I think this is gonna probably go through this new catalog, and if you don't know, I am a Close to My Heart consultant, but I was a fan of Close to My Heart and a customer before that, but this caddy it's live now, just so you know. It was live May 1st, and it has some gorgeous papers in it. Like, I love this collection. This one is technically geared toward girl and sweet dreams, but that's what I love about scrapbooking and paper crafting in general. You can use what works for you. You don't have to gear it towards girl. Granted, I love this. I love this collection. And then I actually have two planners that I did, and I will show you, do another flip through for that one. This one is going to be my home planner. Gotta get used to it because before this was my work planner, so I'm switching them up. But I think it'll work out. But again, I'm going to be using the Sweet Girl collection from Close to My Heart, and as you can see, those are my colors. Now, Close to My Heart has inks and embellishments and different papers and cardstock that coordinate with these colors, as well as products that coordinate with the collection. So I am very excited about that. So that is what I used for this planner, and I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And don't mind that, that's my daughter's picture of a cat, a girl with a cat ears named Cat. So she gave that to me, so I figured I'd just put it in my planner. Anyways, as you can tell, it's fairly simple. I try not to do too much. I generally decorate the front page here. This one is actually an acetate, and I had this in my last planner. And I just decided, you know what, I like it with the gold rings and it works. So I just decided to decorate this. The back side isn't decorated like I did last time because, it's got a whole bunch of different shapes and stuff. But I like how it turned out. So really, here's my, I was just going to say, there's really not a whole lot to show you other than the papers. But this is my, what are they called? What are they called? My notepads. I'll probably have more back here. In fact, I got stuff back there already. Stuff for bills, doctor bills, lots of doctor bills. And I added these bits of lace, and believe it or not, that's seam binding, and or not seam binding, I don't remember what it's called. Anyways, I pulled all those from my stash and just kind of looped them there, and I thought they looked pretty, so there they are. So what I used here was the leftovers from, like, all of these pages are the leftovers from my launch kit, because I got the Sweet Girl collection in my launch kit. So I just decided, you know what, I got the mix-in paper pack from the new catalog, and I intermixed it with these, and I actually pulled in this wood grain here. This wood grain is from like last 2 years ago, something like that, and I liked it so much that I decided to bring it into it. It fit perfectly, I think, with those tones. So, and it's Close to My Heart, so it probably had some similar colors in it anyways, because they change up their colors every once in a while. But yeah, this is my health trackers. I've done clear until like 2020 or something like that. Yeah. So I printed those out myself, and then I went ahead and backed these. So the back side of this was actually a darker wood grain, more similar to this color. A little bit more or less on the pink tones, more on the like orangey tones, but I didn't want that on the back side, so I decided to just double back all of the papers that are like one-sided. So I did design and print out my own printables. honestly, I wish I had used thicker paper, but you know, right now we's broke. So I'm doing all this on a budget, which is why, part of why I use the leftovers of my launch kit. So I'm so hoping I'm in frame still. So let's see if I can get, there we go. Sorry for the shaky. I forgot to bring my light over. So anyways, I redesigned these and printed them out for this month. I am going to be using, like, I cut up pieces of paper for the different sizes here because the size is different from that, and so I will be able to use these throughout. I will also be able to use stickers, and I'll tell you what, I've been doing some sticker printing, so I actually, like, I have went and did some, like, that is a lot of stickers, like, in the different colors. There are some that I mean, I have 40 colors to print out, so I've got a lot of stickers to print, but for now, I'm good. I'm just using, you know, printing out what I plan on using and then going from there. This is one of the mix-in paper papers from the new mix-in paper pack. This was an oldie. It came in the same pack as the wood grain, and I thought it coordinated fairly decently with the wood grain, so it, you know, I just went ahead and pulled it in there. That will be June. And then we've got this from the Sweet Girl paper pack, and then we've got this from the mix-in as well. Now this is a ballerina color, and this is ballerina, and then that's a lighter ballerina color. It's just, it all flows together. And then I've got the sapphire, which is also a featured color in the paper pack, Sweet Girl paper pack. And then I can't really show you that information that's on that, but I can show you, like, this one here. So I did, for the things that I don't need like a full-on section for, like this, I have multiples of these pieces because I'm going to be, you know, journaling my meals and things that I eat, so that I can kind of, you know, track what I eat and how it makes my body feel and my emotions, how it affects my emotions. Anyways, for things that aren't like don't need a large section, I go ahead and cut out some smaller, I guess you could show you this one, some smaller tabs in the collection, and I use the Spellbinders decorative tabs die for that. I mean, I could totally use whatever, you know, whatever I wanted, but that's what I have. And anyways, so like for single sheets, wish list, and I have like a little address book area, and so I just did that on those, and I just kind of stepped those down so that then I know, you know, they're easily accessible and they look cute on the side there. They add a little bit of color, and so that's kind of what I do with that. Then I have a notepad up here. I think that's from the Target dollar spot. I just looped on or put a notes clip on there, which I don't know if I want to keep that there or not, but I decided, you know, if it's going to be there, it's going to have a ribbon on there. So that's close to my heart. A ribbon with a gold stripe there, and then it just kind of sticks out really kind of funky, but I'm just going to learn to be okay with that. So I'm not fully in frame. Okay, so this is from Michael's, and I think it was like in their $1 bin. I got 2 of them in one pack, and then I just glued it onto a paper clip and then put a little circle on the back, and that's that. I mean, it's pretty easy to do. And the one thing that I love about these are paper, so technically if I wanted to, I could color it like the navy or the sapphire or the ballerina. I could color it whatever color I wanted to, but I just left it white. I don't know why. And then this is little tool foofy stuff that, I don't know, I just pulled it in. I just clipped off a piece out of my stash and just stuck it in there. And then, so, you know, if you've seen, so these, I was going to say, if you've seen my previous setup, I have these clips, the tag clips, banner clips, whatever you call them. Anyways, and this is actually a bobby pin, but it's decorative and I love it, and I've had it for a long time, so I figured I'd just bring it in. Adds a little bit of sparkle. Now this fox is from the Sweet Girl collection as well. In fact, almost all of this, the bow is not, but all of the rest of this is. So these two bows were from, I think, Beautiful Friendship from either last year or the year before, through Close to My Heart, and they're the same colors, so I decided to just bring them in. So I love how it turned out. I was so excited when I put it together. Of course, it did take me I think it took me about 3 days per planner to put it together, because I was working, redesigning things and all that kind of stuff too. Now this pen is from the Dollar Tree. I got it a while ago, and I thought, you know what, it's pink, it'll go. And I also have these, which are the Arteza fine liner in 0.4 size, and I just tested them out and made sure that they were the similar colors. And can I have this here to keep them in their spot so they're not flopping all over the place. So that works for that. And I think that is pretty much the gist of my planner. I am, like I said, these are homemade, DIY, print them out, punch the holes, it works kind of planner. But I think that's what I like. I really do like making it suit, what I need, instead of just dealing with whatever I purchase or from somebody else or whatever. So that is pretty much it. I'm not sure how the stamping is gonna go as far as for the paper that I used. We'll see. I don't think I'm gonna like stamping on it, so I might not stamp on it. We'll see. We shall see. We shall see. I don't know. But anyways, I just wanted to do a quick flip through of my new planner setup. I'm going to be doing a plan with me soon. I might do a rewind because this week has already started, and I do have it starting on the 1st of May. So I don't know. I was wanting to get this filmed a week ago, but that didn't happen. So doctor's appointments, doctor's appointments, and doctor's appointments. I know it's an excuse, but boy, I tell you what, when you have 3 kids and you have a lot of doctor's appointments, it takes up all your time. And then choir events too. So lots of juggling to be done, but I finally got them done, and I'm finally got everything printed and cut, and I'm so hoping they're cut all the way through, because those stickers, I did a lot of printing and cutting. They better be cut all the way through. So I am gonna close it here, and I will see you in my plan with me, or I will see you in my next planner flip through, or I will see you in my next video, whatever it may be. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will talk to you guys later.